Hi, I got my order from Selected Seeds and I wanted to share with you some of the flowers that I'll be adding to my garden this year. And I will be winter sowing a few of these. I do have another order that I am waiting for, which should be coming hopefully sometime next week, and I'll share that when they arrive. I got this Elegance Purple Lavender, and I did winter sow these last year, and they were successful for me, so I wanted to add some more. I got this Cherry Brandy, and this one, I only have one plant of this that I had bought at a nursery, and it struggled last year, so I wanted to add a few more, and so I thought I would try them from seed and winter sow these. I also got this Panorama Mix Bee Balm, and I don't have any in the garden now. I wanted to try this because it attracts pollinators and hummingbirds, which is one of my goals for this year. I have several pollinator plants, but I would like to increase some of the hummingbird plants. I also got several annuals, which I got this Silver Rose Straw Flower. I want to use this as a dry flower, so I wanted to give this one a try. And I also bought the straw flower in the apricot peach mix color. Just love the soft pastel colors. So I got this Queen Lime with Blush Zinnia. And I did do zinnias last year. They were single petaled, so I really love this one, more of a little bit of pom-pom look. And this one really drew me in because of a green flower. In that same line, I got this Queen Red Lime Zinnia. Really love the color of this one as well, and that soft color with like a multicolor in it. So that was really pretty. And then I got this Oklahoma Pink, which is a smaller variety of zinnia. So more for the front border, and I wanted to try this one. So last year I grew a few sunflowers, so I got some more sunflower seeds. And I got this red hedge. I really wanted to try this one, which is purely red. I really want this one to be successful. And then I got two other sunflowers, which are more in that cream family. So this buttercream, really pretty. They're all branching sunflowers, as well as this jade branching sunflower. And I also got this cinnamon Asian basil. I wanted to try this as an ornamental, and yeah, hopefully the rabbits won't eat it, but was hoping to use it in bouquets. And I also stopped at Home Depot to pick up some things that I needed for my winter sowing, and ran across this Alyssum Royal carpet, and the picture just drew me in, so I just had to buy it and give it a try and see if it works in my garden. But it's so pretty. Really love this color, and just the little white flowers along with the pink. And I got this zinnia pack because of the Oklahoma pinks that I did purchase. I really liked that this has a mixed color, so I didn't have to buy one of each different color. And can try a couple different varieties and see which one I like the most. So that's it for this seed haul, and I will be sharing my next one once it arrives. And I will also try recording my winter sowing to share with you and show you my progress. This will be my second year winter sowing, but this year I will be doing it in big milk jugs. So last year I did small Gatorade bottles, and the soil at one point was too wet and it grew algae, and in other points it got way too dry. So I'm going to try it again this year, but I still had success even with those small bottles, and hoping that I'll have even more success this year. So until next time, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.